Tesla presents a new $15,000 Tesla house for sustainable living. You've all heard of Tesla's revolutionizing the transport sector. You probably haven't heard about Tesla and Elon Musk trying to transform every aspect of your life. Musk's vision is to make products that will help our planet stay greener. This includes solar panels on every home and electric cars in every garage. We'll be discussing the most recent step Elon Musk took, the affordable green homes Tesla offers. California just revealed the first model. You can be a landlord with $15,000 without the burden of mortgage fees. What do you need to know about Tesla's $15,000 sustainable home? Let's start. Currently, Elon Musk's primary residence is not some lavish mansion we all know he can afford. In June, he announced that he decided to sell the last house he had. This isn't an unexpected move. The announcement via Twitter stated that he owns just one house in the San Francisco Bay Area that he rents out for events. Apparently, he decided to sell the house because of the fact of a ProPublica report that explained that American billionaires like Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett rarely pay their correct share of taxes, if they pay anything at all. The report revealed that the richest of America's executives only pay a fraction of their wealth in taxes, given that their combined wealth keeps on increasing. On June 9th, he had stated in a reply tweet about his last residence, "Yeah, sold my houses except for one in Bay Area that's rented out for events, working on sustainable energy for Earth with Tesla, and protecting the future of consciousness by making life multiplanetary with SpaceX. Also, I risk mitigation with Neuralink and fixing traffic with Boring." His announcement to sell his house was made on June 14th. He had mentioned in a previous post that his primary residence is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica or Starbase that he rents from SpaceX. By revealing this, has Elon officially announced Tesla's insane new tiny house? Well, why not? He is building his own space colony in Boca Chica. He's made so many incredible projects over the past few years, and based on his track record, it's possible for him to create Starbase, which the world still knows very little about. Boca Chica is a small community on the southernmost tip of Texas, where people lived a tranquil life up until Elon Musk and SpaceX set up shop there. He had his sights set on it for almost a year. He announced in March that he would rename it to Starbase. SpaceX is building a new factory in Texas to support its satellite-based broadband service Starlink. Who knows, maybe Musk doesn't need to live on Earth for much longer, as he plans to colonize more than one planet, including Mars. By 2026, despite being a billionaire, one would expect Elon to live in luxurious mansions, but he sold everything he owned to move into this mysterious apartment. It's obvious that the designer of the house is so talented that Musk would love to live there. But who built and designed Musk's Tesla house? We need to remember that Musk saw his fortune soar after Tesla's shares increased by 500% in the last year alone. But too many, it's surprising to learn that Elon Musk's house in Starbase, Texas is not a sprawling mansion, but rather a 20-foot by 20-foot box manufactured in bulk. You heard it right. Musk is now living in what is essentially a 400-square-foot studio. His house was designed by Boxable, a construction startup that specializes in easy-to-build housing modules. Houses through Boxable start at $50,000. The amount doesn't include landscaping permits and utility hookup costs. The Boxable homes aren't exactly extravagant, but Musk doesn't lack the money to fill the details in by design. Boxable posted a video of the casita in November to announce the company had built the home for a high-profile and top-secret customer in Boca Chica. Although nobody was named, Boca Chica isn't exactly a hotbed of fame and celebrity. They built this custom home to meet the needs of the top-secret client, according to Musk. That's where he's currently living. Boxable homes are built in factories to fold into shipping containers. So it's pretty easy to figure out what's inside the mystery house using steel concrete and EPS foam. They've taken years of prototyping to decide which materials would not degrade. Walls, floors, and roofs are all made of laminated panels, making them legal for traveling on highways. Free delivery is available in some states, but there are additional fees for remote destinations. The $15,000 price includes delivery and unpacking, but permits and others may need to be added to the price. The unit comes with plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning pre-installed and ready to connect in the casita floor plan. You can see the inside, which can also be customized by combining multiple modules with 375 square feet of living space. It comes fully furnished with a studio setup. It also has a 10-foot ceiling and large windows and doors. Its small size doesn't come at the expense of a full-size kitchen, which has a refrigerator, double sink, and dishwasher and countertops continuing along the walls, creating a dining area. It has a low carbon footprint, so you can basically create your home anywhere you like. Musk selected Boca, Texas, which puts him near SpaceX's launch facility. In the end, he personally has the lowest carbon emissions when compared to his peers, and he's the world's youngest billionaire. As a side note, we all know that the reason why Musk has suspended Bitcoin payments for Tesla cars is due to an environmental concern, because he views sustainability as a core value at Tesla. It makes sense that he would want to live in a tiny house. Boxable claims that the casita is an extremely energy-efficient home, as it's constructed from insulation technology and utilizes LED lighting, both of which improve resident comfort and savings. These houses are durable, having a snow load capacity for 90% of North America, and can be retrofitted to accommodate snow in the remaining 10% of locations. Tiny homes generally use less energy and take up less space than conventional dwellings, thus having less of an impact on the environment. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.